morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning to all of you.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay, mute all.
मॉर्निंग सर
तो बोलिए अपनी तरफ से करने के लिए म्यूट.
Okay, muted. All of you been muted. Now, all of you been muted. Let's start our class. Okay. If people are waiting, let them join first. Okay. And I hope all have joined. And now I wish one more is coming. Okay. Okay. So, am I audible to you all? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Let's start our class.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
okay. I'm muting all of you. Meanwhile, I request all of you to keep your videos switch on. Okay. And this is also to inform you that I have received less number of projects. Okay. I have received less number of projects, and I want the project from all of you. Okay. You will send it to me. I will check it and I will make a video of it. Okay. I'll make a video of it. So all of you are requested to give the beautiful project. Okay. Now let's come to our class. What we were doing yesterday, and like previous, you will raise your hand. We will discuss the question. This is opportunity for those who were absent in the previous class, who had not joined the discussion. Okay. Kushi Kumari, Aditya Sinha, and Preet Priya, they are joining. Okay. Too much. That's important. Now see. Answer the following question in brace. This is the question. This is the question. Okay. Who will answer this question? Raise your hands. Okay. Simultaneously, without wasting time, I will unmute all of you. Okay. I will unmute all of you. I hope you are well aware with the question. And I have unmuted all those who have raised their hand. Okay, I have unmuted all.
Sir,
Chlorophyll.
The chlorophyll.
Sir, present in green leaves of a plant is chlorophyll. The pigment present in green leaf of plant is chlorophyll. The pigment present in green leaves of a plant chlorophyll.
Okay, now I can understand that.
present in green leaf of a plant chlorophyll.
Now I understand that you are well acquainted with this term. Now I understood that you are well acquainted with this term, and I don't need to discuss it further. Now next, apart from this, can you tell me, Piyush Raj, what are you doing? Now apart from this, will you tell me what is function of chlorophyll? What is function of chlorophyll? Switch on your camera, everybody. Anurani, Ankit, Khushi, everybody switch on your Ronak, Manvi, Abhinav, Kashish, switch on your camera. Everybody. So what is function of chlorophyll? Who will say? Only one. Ritika Kumari, unmuted. Unmuted Ritika Kumari. Tell me what is function of chlorophyll? Tell me what is function of chlorophyll, Ritika? Ritika. Tell me what is function of chlorophyll? Tell me first, Ritika Kumari. Ritika, tell me what is function of chlorophyll? Can you hear me, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is function of chlorophyll?
Sir, मैं बताऊँ.
You. I'm asking from Ritika. Ritika, if Ritika is not available, Ayushi. If Ritika is not hearing, then Ayushi.
Chlorophyll useful in the process of photosynthesis. If chlorophyll present in leaves, the leaf becomes green.
Okay, Sachi, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sunlight is available during daytime chlorophyll, which is essential for completing the process in the green leaves of a plant.
Okay, Smriti Komal, unmute yourself. Smriti Komal, if you are hearing me. Next it is Kumar Ujwal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Smriti.
सर वो अनम्यूट नहीं हो रही है.
Okay. Kumar Ujwal. Kumar Ujwal. Sania Singh. Sania Singh. Sania Singh. You have raised your hand. Why you all are not saying? Swati. I have unmuted Swati. Okay.
Chlorophyll is essential for completing the process. Is the green colored pigment present in the green leaves of plant.
Okay. So thank you. So let me sum it up. Okay. So let me sum it up. So chlorophyll is responsible for trapping of okay, trapping of sunlight. Okay, I have muted all of you. Now chlorophyll, it is responsible for trapping of sunlight. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Okay, and sunlight, as you know, that sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. So who traps? Which part of the plant trap the sunlight? This is leaf, which trap the sunlight. Now, what is present in the leaf, which help to trap? This is chlorophyll, which trap the sunlight. Okay, which trap the sunlight. Okay, which trap the sunlight. I hope you have understood it. Any problem to anybody? Now next, so should we write? Then we should take it in the revision notes. Okay, so the green pigment present is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay. Next, why do some plants feed on insects? Who will answer this question? Why do some plants feed on insects? Who will answer this question? Swati unmuted. Swati unmuted. Okay. Swati unmuted. Swati unmuted. If not, Rudra Jaiswal. Rudra Jaiswal. Rudra Jaiswal, Shamli, Rudra Jaiswal and Shamli.
Some plants feed on insects because they get extra nourishment from the atmosphere.
Okay.
Sir, because plant can protein.
Yes, protein maybe. Okay, mute yourself. Kassis, unmute yourself. Kassis, unmute yourself. Kassis, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Some plants feed on insect because those plants get nutrients from trapping and eating insect.
Okay, they want to get the nutrients that you want to say. Okay, Bhavya Kishore, unmute yourself.
His plant in protein is trap in process.
Okay, Anand Vishal. Anand Vishal.
Sir, some plants feed on insects because they get extra moisture from the atmosphere.
Pardon, once again you say it. They get?
Sir, some plants feed on insects because they get extra moisture from the atmosphere.
Extra?
Moisture.
Nourishment.
Sir, extra nourishment. Yes, sir, nourishment.
Okay, extra, they get extra nourishment. Okay. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. From the atmosphere.
Okay. So, partially correct. I hope all of you are saying correct.
सर हम दे सकते हैं.
On, raise your hand. Tell me. Who wishes to answer?
सर स्वाति कुमारी.
Yes, tell me, Swati. Start your video. You start your video first. Swati, Ayushi, Anand Vishal, Bhavya Kishore, Kassis, all of you, Rudra Jaiswal, start your video. Swati, answer this question. Tell me.
सर बोले.
Bolo, Swati. Highway.
Because they need extra food in addition to what they prepare by photosynthesis.
Yes, absolutely correct answer this is. Okay, this is absolutely correct answer. Now let's take it, and some students they are some students. Okay, let the chance give to Sachi. Tell me, unmute yourself. Sachi.
Sir, some plants feed on insects because plants that grow in poor soil which lacks nitrogen salts, they get their extra nourishment from insects.
इसके पहले क्या बोला गया था? देखो इसके पहले भी बता. I have heard you. ठीक है. So the reason is that some plants they do not get the adequate amount of nitrogen. Okay, they do not get adequate amount of nitrogen. Okay, hence to complete the lacking of nitrogen, they trap the insect. Okay, they trap insects, and from them they get the nitrogen. Okay, so what will be the final answer? The final answer will be that to complete the deficiency of. Okay, so why do some plants feed on insects? Its answer will be to meet with the deficiency. Okay, to meet with the deficiency of. Okay, some plants. Let me write you in your language only. Some plants do not get adequate amount of nitrogen from soil. Okay, or okay, they do not get adequate amount of nitrogen from soil, or we can also say that they do not get adequate का मतलब पूरा, complete, adequate nourishment by photosynthesis. Hence photosynthesis. Hence they feed on insect. Okay. Hence they feed on insect. Okay. And complete the deficiency nitrogen. Okay, the complete deficiency of nitrogen. I hope you have understood it. Next question is name two method of. Then next question is name two method of reproduction in plants. Okay, we have the question. Name the two method of reproduction in plants. Name two method of reproduction in plant. You will raise your hand. Nothing else, you will raise your hands. I can see 20 participants have raised their hands. Okay, I will give the chance to those. Okay, let me see. Shania, everybody mute yourself first. I can get the surrounding. Okay, so first Shania. Shania, unmute yourself. Shania. Shania, unmute yourself. Okay, Asu, unmute yourself. Asu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Of reproduction in plant are reproduction of underground stem, reproduction by stem cutting.
सबसे पहले तो उठकर बैठकर पढ़ो ना. पढ़ने का तरीका क्या होता है? जरा पेरेंट्स से बात करो तो हमें. चलो पेरेंट्स से जरा बात करो. कैसे बैठे हुए हो? सोए हुए हो क्या? ओके, ठीक है, चलो. तो क्या क्या बताए? आवाज नहीं आ रही है तुम्हारी. आवाज नहीं आ रही है. फिर से बोलो, ट्राई करो. बोलो, फिर से बोलो.
Two method reproduction of underground stem, reproduction by stem cutting.
Okay, thank you, very good. Now you mute yourself. Then here it is. Babya Kishore, unmute yourself.
Sir, question.
Huh?
Sir, question.
The question is that without knowing the question, you have raised your hand. Name the two methods of reproduction in plant.
Sir, reproduction to stem cutting or reproduction to
It is. Okay. Next it is. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. स्टेम कटिंग मतलब स्टेम से हो गया, या फिर यू कैन से द डिफरेंट बाय थ्रू द बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, बाय द अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके, एंड वन बाय सी. नेक्स्ट आरव कुमार. आरव. Arab.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Tell me answer, Arab.
Sir, ये क्वेश्चन क्या है सर?
क्वेश्चन है कि प्लांट कैसे रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. व्हाट आर द मेथड बाय विच प्लांट रिप्रोड्यूस?
Steam cutting and
Can you name any plant which
And we
reproduce by
reproductive body part.
Okay. Can you name any plant which reproduce by the cutting of a stem?
Sir, rose.
Okay, very good. Next. Thank you. Mute yourself. Next, Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Sonali,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what are the ways by which plant reproduce?
Two methods of reproduction of plant. First, reproduction through seed reproduction through different parts of plant like stem cutting, underground stem, and leaf and fruit.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Very good. Okay. Mute yourself. Now, Sanya Singh. Sanya Singh, tell me. Sanya, you are already unmuted from here. You tell me. Sanya. Tell me, Sanya. Sanya, tell me. Two methods by which plant by which reproduction in plant take place are, okay, first it is by reproduction by seed. Okay, it is reproduction by seed, and second, reproduction by vegetative organ. We can also say other organ like root, stem, underground stem, and leaves, etc. Okay, not etc. We will not give here etc. Okay, I hope you have understood it. We will move to the next question, and let's come to the, okay, I will have to see the book. Okay, so let's, okay, let me see the book first. Don't raise your hand unnecessary. Okay. Then we have okay. Next question we have, name the three conditions required for the proper germination of seed. Name the three conditions which is required for the proper germination of seed. Okay. Name the three conditions which is required for the proper germination of seed. Name the okay. Oh, who will answer? Raise your hands. Three conditions which is necessary. I will give chance to everybody. You raise your hand, everybody. I can see the students. Prapti Prajapati. Tell the answer.
All seed need water, oxygen, and proper temperature in order of germinate.
What? Once again. Once again, say.
All seed need water, oxygen, and proper temperature in order of germinate.
Okay, thank you. Mute yourself. Next I have unmuted this Shashwat. Shashwat. If Shashwat is not available, let this chance be given to Sonali. Sonali. Even if Sonali is not Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you answered this question. What are the conditions necessary for the question was what are the conditions which are necessary for the germination of seed?
The condition required for the proper germination of seed is appropriate air, water, soil, and proper temperature to grow into a new plant.
Okay. Next, Ritika, Shyamli, okay. Next, let me ask some of the one more student, one or more. Asu Kumar, unmute yourself. Asu Kumar, unmute yourself. Asu Kumar. Kassis, unmute yourself. Anybody else? Kassis,
Yes, sir.
tell me the answer.
The condition required for proper germination of seed is good soil, air, water, and appropriate temperature.
Okay, appropriate temperature. Okay. So let's take it in the revision notes. Okay. Let's take it in the revision notes. That condition required for the what you told, the condition required for the proper growth of the proper germination of seed. Proper germination of seed are first presence of medium I swale is the medium, then moisture, air, adequate temperature, and most important, sunlight. Okay, these are the conditions necessary for the germination of seed. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, then we have the next question. We will take up the next question. Name the plant that reproduce through stem cutting. It is a very easy question and we have discussed it many times. Okay, even though we will write it here in the revision note. Name the plant which reproduce by cutting. Name the plant which reproduces by cutting stem. Name the plant which reproduces by cutting stem. Okay, so now I have unmuted all of you. You tell this answer. I have unmuted all of you.
Sugarcane and rose.
Sugarcane.
One. Okay.
Rose and sugarcane.
Sugarcane.
Rose
Rose.
plant can be grown by adults. Keep cutting off grow up plant.
Sir, banana भी होगा.
Okay.
Plant can be grown by
Cutting the stems.
keep cutting off growing up plant.
Okay.
Bougainvillea.
Okay. Over. Now I have muted all of you. Stop it. So this was the small question. Okay. Now come to the answer the following. Why do all seed do not germinate to form a new plant? Okay. Why do all seeds not germinate to form a new plant? This is the question. Wait. Here wait. Next question. Why do all seeds? What is the question? Why do all seeds do not new plant? So this is the question. Who will answer it? Let's wait. Raise your hand. I think you must have raised your hand. Shyam Kumar. Shyam Kumar, tell me. Why do Shyam Kumar? Shyam. Okay, Shyamli. Shyamli.
Yes, sir. Sir, question क्या था?
Question was, so it means you are not paying attention. It means you are not paying attention.
Okay, sir.
Question was that. Okay, Prapti Prajapati. Prapti Prajapati, will you answer this question? Have you heard this question?
All seeds do not germinate to form new plant because some are not purified with the appropriate amount of nutrients.
Okay.
That
Swati.
because they do not get appropriate amount of water, air, and medium proper temperature.
Shyam Kumar. Shyam, you answer it. Shyam, unmute yourself. After Shyam, Nishant Anupam. Unmute yourself, Nishant Anupam.
Yes, sir.
Tell me
All
the.
seeds do not germinate to form new plant because some are not cultivated with the appropriate amount.
Okay. Bhavya Kishore. Tell me. Bhavya Kishore. Okay. If he is not available, Sachi, unmute your audio. Sachi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
All seed All seed not germinate to a form of new plants because they do not get appropriate nutrients, sunlight, water.
Okay. Means lack of conditions. Okay. So let's take it down.
Yes.
Oh, let's take it down. Why do all seed do not germinate? Because its answer will be that they do not get answer, because all seed do not germinate because they do not get adequate amount of water, sunlight, right temperature, etc. Hence, they do not
Soil
germinate.
होगा.
Yes, absence of medium. Right temperature, they do not get adequate amount of water, they do not get right medium. पहले कर दो. Right medium, that is soil. Okay, soil acts as a medium. Right medium, adequate amount of water, sunlight. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay. So, any problem to anybody? So we have almost revised it.
No, sir.
Okay, we have almost revised it. And now I will say all of you that you please submit your project. I have given you a project on the water harvesting. Then I will give you also again I will give you second project. Okay. If you will not submit it, I will mark you absent in that. Okay. And accordingly, you will not benefit will not be given to you. Benefit will not be given to you. Okay. So I have unmuted all of you. If you have any problem, you can tell me.
No, sir.
One by one, raise your hand, and I will. If you have any problem, you submit the project. Okay. You tell me.
No, sir. Submit कर दी हूँ.
अगर सबमिट कर दिए होंगे तो हम व्हाट्सएप पे हमारे भेज दो. यू सेंड इट ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप. इफ यू
सर भेज भी दिए सर, अब चेक भी कर लिए हैं.
लिंक पर भी आप भेजिए. लिंक पर भेजो, उसको अपलोड करो. ठीक है. यू अपलोड इट ऑन द लिंक.
लिंक पर भी अपलोड कर दिए.
यस, वेरी गुड.
सर हम लिंक पर आपके व्हाट्सएप पे दोनों पे अपलोड कर.
अल्तमा संसारी, व्हाट यू वांट टू से? अल्तमा संसारी. Be quiet. Altama Sansari, tell me what you want to say.